It's really not secret information. It's not freaking the Krabby Patties secret formula. Oh. What's up, beautiful people? It's Kayla. I'm back again with another video. So I want to thank you guys so much to getting me to 500 subscribers. I am so excited. This is like such a big thing for me. I don't know where I'll be by the time you watch this video, but I just want to thank everybody so much for subscribing to my channel and actually watching my videos. I'm glad that you guys are enjoying this content. I can't wait to make more, and just thank you guys so much for the continuous support. Like, it means so much to me. So as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of shopping lately. If you have not seen my 3 previous hauls, I will link them up below. Okay, I will link them up above and down in the description box. Like I said, I think in my first video, discount shopping is what I do. Before quarantine and anything, that's just the places that I love to shop. Don't get me wrong, I love shopping online. Actually, I only shop in stores in the mall that have a sale. Literally nothing in my closet I don't think I've bought has been full price, because who wants to pay full price for anything? Like, come on. But today I'm just gonna give you guys a few tips and tricks on how I successfully shop in these types of stores. I know a lot of you guys that you guys' stores aren't opening yet. These are just a few tips, you know, that you can take heed to when everything opens back up. I don't know when you guys will be watching this, but this is just tips that I use on the regular as well as during COVID. I have everything written down here, so if you see me looking down or anything, that's what I'm looking at. If you are ready to hear some tips on how to save some money, keep on watching. So the first step is to have a plan. Have a plan on what you're going into these stores to purchase. This needs to be taken care of before you even leave the house. Okay? But if you're really, you know, trying to go in here and shop for real, and especially with this quarantine stuff going on, have a plan on what you are looking for and go for those items first. This will lead me into my second tip, which is going for those scarce or popular items. And what I mean by that are items, I would say like the high-end named brand items when it comes to shoes, makeup, skincare, and body. So if you have been in any of these stores, you will probably find 1 or 2 of those items. Besides makeup, you'll probably find more, and once they're gone, they are gone, so they're not going to be there. Me, normally I go for shoes first. I wear a size 10, and I never see 2 pairs of a size 10. I go for those first, especially if I'm looking for like a sneaker or a name brand shoe. That's the strategy I used when I went to Ross, and I did amazing, because I normally never get that lucky when it comes to shoes. Same for skincare. All the skincare that I bought recently, it was just one. I would definitely say go towards those clothes last. Honestly, I doubt that's where the real gems are. The clothes gonna be there. The clothes are always gonna be there, but those items, definitely hit those first. Step number 3 is the time of day. So before quarantine and everything happened, a lot of people would either be in school or working during the weekdays, and that's when I would go. And you know, less people is less crowded. Aisles in these stores are like this big. You know, you have to wait for people to move past them to look in certain areas of the clothing, and just any aisles in general. It can get very annoying, especially now that keeping the 6 feet apart thing is a whole thing. Like, nobody wants to do that. Go during the morning time. The earlier the better. I preferably like to go before noon. Less people in the store, the easier it is for you to shop and the more items for you to find. Number 4 is asking for shipping dates. So this is just a really simple step. You can honestly just ask an associate on the floor or when you're checking out. And with this, when I know the shipping days, I normally go the day after the shipment. It takes more than a day to get shipment out, especially that first day. Like I said, my previous step, go in the morning because everything's out on the floor, it's brand new, untouched, and you know, it's better for you because you get more stuff. So yes, number 5 is looking for those named brand items. Like I was saying, in the beginning. We're all going to these stores to get a discount. I saw somebody in my comments say like they like going to these stores and getting a lot of stuff because they feel like they're getting away with something, and it's like kind of true. We are buying high-end items for probably half the price. That just feels great. So it's just a more rewarding feeling when you go into these stores and you find a name brand item and it's cheap as heck, especially when it comes to thrifting. This is something like a major tip for thrifting. This is my current wallet I have right now, the Kate Spade wallet. I found this out of Goodwill and it was only $7. I'm not even like a big Kate Spade person, but it's like Kate Spade for $7. I'm taking it. And then, you know, when it comes to like skincare and makeup, looking for name brand items, they're easier to search on Google. And you know, I can search it up and look for reviews on like Ulta or Sephora and see if it's even worth me spending my coin on. Tip number 6 is going to be looking for clothing with longevity. Just a more simplified version of this is going for basics. Now, I'm not saying that you only have to shop for basics, but me personally, if you've seen my hauls, I buy a lot of basics. I like to maximize the amount of times I can wear the article of clothing. I just don't want it to sit in my closet and go to waste. You can buy trendy items, like I do, but I know that I will probably only wear them for 2 or 3 times and they will probably end up going to donation or something like that, or just sitting in my closet, because I actually have a hoarding problem with clothes. I actually need to go through my closet. You can buy the trends, but kind of keep it to a minimum, because you don't want to buy a lot of trendy clothing, like I said, only wear them 2 or 3 times and they just sit in your closet. It's kind of like you're wasting your money. Just try to stick to basics and things that you can wear multiple different ways, meaning you can dress it up or down, you can wear it with heels, you can wear it with sneakers, you can wear it with a jacket, without a jacket, just things that you can continue wearing for a long time. Tip number 7 is having a price point. This means, you know, you're not gonna go over $30 or something on an item, on one item in this store. Me personally, my maximum, my like max is $30, but I normally try to keep it under $25. I just feel like if you're paying over $25 for an item in a discount store, like, is it really a discount? Only if it's like, you know, a high-end product. I'm never gonna go in like Burlington or TJ Maxx or anything like that and spend like $25 on a top, $25 on pants. I just don't see the purpose of it, because if that's the case, I could have just gone to the mall, gone online shopping and got it there. I came to the store for a discount and that's what I'm gonna get. And the last step, the most important step of them all, is to take your time. Do not go into these stores rushing. You will get overwhelmed and you will probably leave, because that's what I've done. I stick to going to the clothes last. It's just an abundance of them. It's so much. Shifting through them can be extremely draining, and if I don't find something in the first 5 minutes, I stop and want to go home. I also like to shop by myself. When I'm going out shopping with people and I'm just doing my thing, if I see my friend just walking around like with nothing in her hand and just looking like she's ready to go, I'm feeling like I'm being rushed. So I will kind of get anxious and just stop shopping, and I'm ready to go as well. I really hope these tips will help you guys when it comes to quarantine shopping and just shopping in general, because these are the rules that I stick by, and as y'all already see, your girl be racking up on these deals. I know what I'm talking about. If you have any tips that you live by when it comes to discount shopping and thrifting and all that good stuff, let me know down below. I would love to hear them. If you do end up taking heed to any of these tips, let me know if they actually helped, because I would love to know. Also, if you would like to see a tips edition for online shopping, let me know, because I have a whole system on how I online shop as well. But thank you guys so much again for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.